Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Steve from Nyabuhanse village. As you can see, I'm also a farmer, one of the best farmers who are doing well around our village, even though my farms are not that big, but I'm really trying. As you can see it's like there is a road between my maize or what. But what I can tell you is that the rain that usually rain here are very destructive. The rain that rained the last time, it really affected my maize. As you can see, you can think that there is a tractor which was constructing the road, but as you can see, this is a very big road that was built by rain. As you can see, it's from down there from the main river down there, as you can see, up there. It really affected my maize, and as you can see, you can't control nature. But one day I will know the solution of this destruction. Let me hope that the rain won't come again. That is bad, that will destroy our farms here. And you can see the maize are doing well. This one, we are expecting to harvest them by next year, February, around February or March. But the maize that's remained, they are really catching up. As you can see, we are really trying so that we can have food safety in this our area, or even our country. One day we will be feeding the whole country. I have that dream that I believe in myself that one day I'll be one of the best farmers in Kenya. Yeah, as you can see, if you can observe well, we are continuing to do weeding around. Yeah, just from down there coming upwards, we are doing weeding. Here in our village, we do manual weeding. We don't use herbicides because they are somewhat expensive, or maybe one day we'll use them. As you can see up there, there's another farm that we used, but this one, the one which is down here, it was destroyed completely with this rain. But the one that is up there is somewhat doing well. There was a little bit destruction, but not that much. Yeah, so my guys, as you can see, this one here, it might take longer because we didn't plant it at the same time as the one down there. But we hope by March next year it will be ready and we will take it to the market. And we are lucky in our village that, or in our region, that we plant maize twice a year, not once, just like in the Rift Valley or Central. But here in our place, we usually plant maize twice in a year. That is in March, we harvest and we plant again. Then in August, towards the end of the year, we harvest, then we plant again. So 6 months we plough, then we plant again. Then after 6 months we harvest, then we plant again. As you can see, this is some of my maize that are doing well. Yeah, we are doing even mixed farming. As you can see, those are groundnuts underneath, groundnuts. And even as you can see, we are doing even with the sorghum. Yeah, sorghum, some few sorghum. That's one you're seeing, they're not maize, they're sorghum. Yeah, hello guys, thank you for watching. Keep on watching my videos, as we are I'll keep on updating you and making new content for you. Thank you guys.